It is only a matter of time before he returns.
If I refused to work, if I took my own life, it will only be a matter of time before Krennic realized he no longer needed me to complete the project.
I don't know, but judging by her mother, she's not gonna win any beauty contests.
We all get ugly. It's only a matter of time. Does she have any money?
I think it's only a matter of time, and yeah, I think you're more than dumb enough.
Hello?
Listen, it's only a matter of time.
Once he gets back on his regular medication, then it's just a matter of time.
Have you...
Mr. Black, it's a matter of time before our wives want to sleep with you.
You keep carrying on like you've been carrying on. It's only a matter of time before Gigante is looking for you.
You've been bitten. It's only a matter of time.
It's only a matter of time until he realizes you're cops.
I know I told you this already, but it's just a matter of time till he blows up the whole fucking neighborhood.
It's only a matter of time before we're found.
It's only a matter of time before the German authorities will find you.
I believe it's only a matter of time before John Henry Clayton picks up his guns.
Just a matter of time before a dirty bomb goes off in Moscow or an EMP fries Chicago.
It's just a matter of time.
We have to assume it's just a matter of time before they identify the rest of us, which includes you, Theo.
No, it hasn't, but it's just a matter of time.
The nurse say, it's just a matter of time.
It's just a matter of time and place not meeting in your favor.
It's only a matter of time.
Mom says it's because you have dependency issues, and it was all just a matter of time before he threw it all away on some tramp.
It'll just be a matter of time before he does it again.
It is only a matter of time before they attack.
Hell, even when we win, it's just a matter of time before we give it all back.
If the demons could find me in the wilderness, it was only a matter of time before they found me here.
I hope your sister know, but that fool, it's only a matter of time.